Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C61, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Before you get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device and the box, but if you can't find it, you can use a paper clip, strain out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you get that prepped, you can then pop out the tray. For that, you do need to take off the case. And the tray is located on the upper left side of the phone, so right over here. You want to push the pin in. Oh, there we go. It is at a kind of like a weird angle, as you can see. So going like straight, it doesn't really allow you to do so. So be careful of that. Anyway, once you pop out the tray, you can then pull it out fully. And on the tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards. These are dedicated spots and 1 dedicated SD card spot. I'm going to be using 1 of each. Now there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so be careful when inserting it back into your device. Once you insert it back in, it should automatically detect the cards and give you any kind of, like, for instance, SIM card pins if you need to put them in. So, whoops, I do. There we go. So that unlocks my SIM card, which is obviously working right now. And should also have a notification about, there we go, Samsung SD card. So it's seeing the SD card as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.